It seems you guys are loving the video where I made the character from PUBG. So here I come with the second video of this series. Hi guys, I am Aishwarya and welcome back to Artistic Goals. Considering that we have over 200 views on the video where I drew the PUBG character, I decided I will draw the new skin from season 14 of the PUBG for you guys. If you are new here and you don't know about which video I am talking about, check out the video in the iCard in the top right corner. I will also link that video in the description of this video. When I saw this new skin from the season 14, I was in love with it. And I immediately started drawing this. I am following the same process as the first video. I started out with the rough pencil sketch and then lined it. I like to go rough and loosely with this step because this is the stage of the drawing when we finalize the proportions of the character. This skin of the character had such fun hairstyle that I loved drawing it. I was just mindlessly drawing the sections of the hair, and still at the end it looked good. Drawing the head of this skin was probably my favorite part of this art. Here comes the lining part and I am using my Faber-Castell Pit Artist pens. The finest pen in this pack was the perfect one because this art piece had so many details. By the way, if you are new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and like this video. And comment down below which is the next video you wanna see. After lining, here comes the third step of the drawing, where I place all the flat base colors. I am using my Camel watercolor cakes for this art piece. Also, I am using my Ohu watercolor brush pen. I love these kinds of water holding brushes because I don't have to worry about having a glass full of water near me. I recently bought these brushes and I am in love with these. After having the flat base colors down, I started detailing with my pencil colors. I guess today my pencil colors didn't want to work or hated me. You will understand why I'm saying it right now. This didn't just happen once or twice. This happened literally 5 times with the single pencil that day. I was so tired of sharpening it and then it breaking on me that I started sharpening it with the blade. And it worked out, I guess, because I didn't had that problem again. Then this journey of coloring continued. Now enjoy the rest of coloring process and I'll catch you later. As I am coloring this face, I would like to tell you guys that I was so scared of coloring this face because the face was literally metallic in the picture. I was scared that this face was not gonna turn out great, but I think I should stop being afraid of drawing metallic surfaces as this face turned out quite nice. What do you think? Do you agree with me that this face is coming out alright? If you think that, please comment down below. As we are heading towards the end of this video, I would like to tell you that I was having so much fun shading this drawing with my colored pencils. After having so much fun with it, I started painting this background. I wanted background fairly simple, so I just drew clouds in it. And I guess it fits the whole drawing. Don't forget to like, share this video if you like my art, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so that you get notifications whenever I upload. If you wanna see more of my artwork, then go ahead and follow my Instagram. If you haven't watched these two videos, then go ahead and watch them. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.